Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders June 2022 club kits are now available, and I do have links provided in the description box if you are interested in subscribing. Every month I receive the large die, the embossing folder, and also the card kit. So here is the embossing folder for the month. I love the large size. It's 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. It has this fun diamond pattern with flowers and leaves. And then here is the large die of the month. Lots of fun paisley designs with florals. I was really happy to see they included the sentiment hello. There are several different paisley designs that you can put inside this larger piece. Lots of little flowers, stems, and leaves. It's always fun to see what other creators come up with using the large die of the month. Now moving on to the card kit of the month for June. The theme is party hat and streamers. There are 9 sheets of cardstock. We have white, black, this beautiful pink, a softer pink, bright yellow. There's an orange, a light green, a pretty sky blue, and then also the gold mirror specialty cardstock. And I will tuck that underneath the blue so I don't blind you with my overhead lights. The card kit always includes an information card. It has a list of contents. There's a sample card, and on the back side it has a tutorial on how to create that card. Here's the 6x6 paper pad that's included this month. There are 40 sheets, 2 of each design, and these are single-sided. Several of the sheets do have a gold foil finish. It's hard to see on the video, but the balloon pattern paper has a gold bow. As always, there's some beautiful floral designs, lots of tone-on-tone patterns, and even though the card kit is birthday themed, there are still patterns that you could use for other card themes. I love this pretty pink, white, and gold polka dot paper. More beautiful florals. There's some pretty watercolor images, a sheet with lots of happy birthday sentiments. We have a candies, and then a green and white polka dot. The stamp set this month is mostly birthday sentiments, and there's also the image with the lit candles. So we have happy birthday, celebrate, hey birthday girl, wonderful people deserve wonderful birthdays, sending birthday hugs, and then there's several others on there. Here's a fun sheet of party hat embellishments. They do have foam dimension on the back side, and I just love this pom-pom that's on top of the party hats. They are fairly thick, so you would need to pay additional postage if you're mailing a card using the party hat with that pom-pom. Next up we have the chipboard embellishments. There's 2 different sheets, and some of them do have that gold foil finish on them. Then we have a sheet of puffy sentiments, and I love all the different colors this time. We have let's party, let's eat, birthday girl, wish big, yay, congrats, just say yay, and woohoo. The kit includes a pack of die cut shapes, and the colors match beautifully with the pattern paper. And I will lay all of these out on my desk so you can see everything that's included at the end of the unboxing. For sequins this month, we have this beautiful gold color that fits perfect with the celebrate theme. As always, you get your foam dimension and your double-sided tape. There are the 10 A2 size envelopes and also 10 A2 size card bases. The card bases have this really nice linen finish on them. The final item that's included in the kit is the set of dies. So this month you'll get 9 different dies. These are fun since you can create a little party hat. It even has the fringe pieces, and there are several little flowers, and the sentiment is make a wish. So that's everything that's included in Spellbinders June 2022 card kit of the month. And here's a look at all the die cut shapes that are included in the kit, and there are 2 of each. I just laid them on top of each other. Lots of great party images and beautiful florals. If you are interested in subscribing to Spellbinders Club Kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the kits I showed in this video, you do need to subscribe by June 24th. And Spellbinders does have other club kits available. They even have a value option if you want to subscribe to more than one kit, and then you can save a little bit of money. They also have previous kits available that you can purchase without subscribing. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using these fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.